Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Handsthatcook. Sorry, I swallowed in between that. I'm going to do some chicken, and it's 2 or 3, I forget how many, drumsticks and 4 wings in my air fryer. And I'm marinating them right now. It's going to be I want to say about an hour. And this is what I've put on it. This is what I'm going to try, and we'll see how well it does. This is Laurie's herb and garlic marinade. So I put that on first. Whoops. And got it all over the chicken. Then I put on this Weber roasted garlic and herb seasoning. And the last thing I added was lemon pepper. And this is Badia or Badia. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but they're good. They're good spices. So right now I'm letting this marinate, and when the time comes, I'm going to preheat my air fryer, which it preheats at 400, but it has a preset for chicken, and it's accurate, but always, just in case, I use a thermometer. And dark meat always is fully cooked at 175. However, the wings are smaller, so they may get done sooner. But we'll be back when that happens. Alright, our chicken has marinated. I preheated my air fryer. So now I'm just going to put it in there. Whoop. See here. Well, I got just a little bit of this marinade left. I'm just gonna spread it a little bit. There we go. Alright, now I want you to see what I'm doing. My air fryer has a preset for chicken, and it's got a chicken thigh on it. Comes up to 380 for 25 minutes, but I've got small pieces. I'm going to leave the temperatures the same. I think I'll just cook it the same. So I hit start, and I'm going to turn it halfway through. And I'll see you in 25 minutes. Alright, we've got the chicken cooled off some so Sam can taste it. It's on his plate. He's going to tell us what he thinks.
I like it. Very good.
It's garlic, herb, and lemon. You like that?
I do like it.
Is it tender and juicy and...
Tender and juicy.
Let them see the inside of it. Turn it around and, no, down. There it is. Okay. You see it's done, y'all?
Mm-hmm. Very good. Got an excellent flavor to it.
Alright, you might want to try this. Give it a try. Not hard to do at all. You saw me make the whole thing and what I put in it. So thank you for stopping by today and spending part of your day with me. I always appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Does it taste burned because it's so brown?
No.
Alright. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe if you haven't. It only takes a few seconds. Be sure and hit that bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So until next time, you all take care. And God bless every one of you. Let me see if I can get in there closer. Whoop, that's further away. Let's see, Sam, set that down. Well, I can't get it. Can't get them both. There you go. Bye, y'all. Hey, and if you don't have a fryer oven, it'll work in the oven. It'll probably take longer. But give it a try. Anything that works in an air fryer will work in an oven, and anything that works in an oven will work in an air fryer. God bless you.